Welcome back. In this video, we'll see how to download and install the Microsoft Windows Server 2025 edition. So this Windows Server 2025 edition is a preview edition. If you have already registered to Windows Insider program, you will be able to download and install the operating system. If you have not registered to Windows Insider program, you can search in the Google and you will have this link. The first link, what you are seeing, once you click this particular link, you will come to this page, and this is the Windows Server 2025 preview page, and you have an option to select download the ISO, or you can download the VSD file. If you are using Microsoft Hyper-V, you can download the VSD file and run the Windows Server 2025 operating system on Hyper-V host. Now, I wanted to download the ISO file because I'll be installing the software on VMware Workstation. So if I click on this particular link, it is asking me to register. So I'll provide the details for the registration, and once I provide the details for the registration, if I download now, I'll be able to download the ISO image. So once I download the ISO image, I'll install on the VMware Workstation. So I'll download the software. In the next video, I'll be installing the Windows Server 2025 edition on VMware Workstation. Thank you and take care.